Hi, this is Chris from Investoo.com taking a look at 10Trade, a options broker, binary options broker. As you can see, I'm on the front page. A couple things up front. They are regulated. They're CySEC regulated, which means they are regulated in Cyprus, and they do not take U.S. traders. Beyond that, the market maker, as you can see, offers plenty of information up front. You can see that we have the standard web-based platform on the front page. For example, the Euro USD, you can see I'm looking at it. It's a call or a put. You can also do pairs, which, for example, gold versus silver. A lot of times people will use them to do stocks, so BMW versus Daimler, etc. Long term, which in this particular case is the end of the week, 60 seconds, which obviously is a short term. No touch of options are available at the moment, but the one touch option is simply a matter of will it touch a price? It doesn't have to close above or below it. Now, looking at the ladder, you can see that that just builds upon and upon and upon every time we hit a specific marker. So, going back to the main platform here, you can see that the payouts are over 80%. There is an education center. And there, of course, is a bunch of information on why 10Trade. You can see that at the bottom we have the Wire, Skrill, Master, Visa, JCB, Diners Club International, Amex, Discover, CashU, Diners Club, VeriSign, WebMoney, PaySafe. So we've got plenty of opportunities to go ahead and deposit money at the brokerage firm that are going to make it easy. As far as opening an account, you can see that in the FAQs they have plenty of information. You can see, you don't have to deposit money for a registration, but of course you have to have money in the actual account to place a trade. You can see that you have the ability for dollars, euros, pounds, krona, and rubles for your account. The education section, which is pretty good. Of course, it's not as vast as the education at Investoo.com, where we have over 125 videos, and they are free if you sign up through us to trade at 10Trade. So you certainly can learn from the ground up, so to speak, and we are currently adding videos to that. But they do have the ability to learn a bit about binary options. This is more or less of an overview, though, and it's not as in-depth as what we offer. So we would highly recommend you come over there. About us, you can click on that, and it tells you the license number in Cyprus that they use, and then basically the different bits about their technology and where they are located in Nicosia. Looking at the contact page, you can see that there are more than enough numbers locally for you to call them. So certainly that would be the quickest way. But you also have the ability to email, obviously, and then the chat with us on the website. Looking a little farther into the platform, for example, it shows you a lot of little bits of information. 5,000, of course, is the maximum for a particular trade. This is the basic support. And then on the trading part, you see everything from the basic, what is rollover, what is a call, what is a put, to the lockout periods on short-term trades, things like that. So that being the case, you can see that there is plenty of information as far as the brokerage is concerned. You can look and you can see that when you get on the platform itself, you can see currencies. You go to currencies and you can go ahead and pick from these pairs, quite a few pairs actually. Commodities, you're going to get gold, silver, platinum, all the usuals, plus some softs and oil. And it's nice that you can trade gold and euros as well. Indices, you can see that there's quite a few here. The MySex, for example, the Tel Aviv 25. nice large Athens, Bovespa, nice large amount of indices to pick from. And then stocks, you've got some of the bigger ones, Barclays, Adidas, Gazprom, HSBC, etc. So plenty of global markets to trade. Highly regulated broker, plenty of information, plenty of ways to deposit. Really, to be honest with you, this is a brokerage firm that has pretty much everything you're going to need. And of course, again, is regulated, which is huge.